Welcome back to my channel. My name is Samuel and I am the creative director of Good Touch as of Kit. I've done the eyebrow and one eye off camera, so I'll be using the other eye. Okay, for our smoky eyes, I'm going to be starting with a color black, and I'm using eyeshadow brush to apply the black color. So I'm actually cutting crease with the black eyeshadow, and at the edge I'm creating a V, so trying to give myself the angle where I want the eyeshadow to get to, so I don't want it to exceed that part. So I've created the angle, and then I'll go over it with my blending brush. So I'm using my blending brush, still applying the black eyeshadow to clean up the ash line. Now this is what differentiates smoky eyes from cut crease. So I'm using my blending brush to blend off the ash line. So you ensure in this smoky eyes eyeshadow you need to blend well. So I'm taking my time to blend off the black, the ash line, and I'm making it look uniform. For the next color, I'll be using the reddish brown color from my Naked eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to be applying that reddish brown where the black color stopped. You might be wondering that I didn't apply transition colors when I started. Yes, I knew, and I left it that way. So I'm using that my transition color now to blend in that black color. So I'm blending in the black color and the transition color together, so that it gives me a uniform look. So after applying that color, I will still be using, from that my same Naked eyeshadow palette, I'll be using two blue colors just to give the smoky eyes a blue black effect. So I'll be applying the blue color and then I'll blend everything together. So I'm taking my time to blend the colors together, and I'm trying to blend down the reddish brown color, trying to blend it down into the colors. And finally I'll be using this royal blue color from another eyeshadow. To highlight, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer to highlight, and then I'll use my beauty blender to blend it. After blending my concealer, I applied my Benign Luxury setting powder, and I'm using the Zikel Glow Kit to define the lip. For our lips, I'm using the wine color lip gloss. I don't really want the lips to be too shouty, and then I'm lining it with that brown pencil, the MAC Rollin brown pencil, just to make the lip look as natural as possible. Then after that, I'll dust out this excess setting powder. I've successfully dusted out setting powder, and I'm applying blush to our cheek, both sides. I'm trying to blend it to make it look uniform. And the next thing, I'm using my Zikel Glow Kit, that is the bronzer, and I'll be applying that on my cheekbone. I will gently press it on my cheekbone. I'll apply it on my nose, then I'll repeat the same thing to the other side. Finally, I've powdered our face, I've applied the setting spray, and fixing our lashes.